All right, here we got the problem 2 times, this is parentheses, 4 to the power 2x plus 4x, or plus 4 to the power x is equal to 1. What is x? All right, this may look whack, it is kind of whack. Like the first step we're gonna do is simplify it, these 4 to the x, 4 to the 2x down. By doing this, the only way I can conjure up is setting u equal to the 4 to the power x. And it's 4 to the power of 1x, that's a 1. Doesn't look like it, trust me, that's a 1. Yeah, trust me, it'll just make this a lot easier. So we rewrite the equation, and with the u, we get u squared, since 4 to the power 2x is equal to 4 to the power x. That's to the power of 2. Like these two multiply when you divert it, or when you split it up, like you split up the 2 and the x, you do it like this, where the 2 is up, because it's like the exponent. It's the exponent button on some computers. And then if we input that here, since u is inside, we do u, and then the squared, we just bring it over from down here. Hopefully I'm making sense. All right, and then plus 4x, which is equal to u, equals 1. And then now we, here. Oh, we just do this. Do that. And it's kind of like a quadratic now, if you can see it. That's subtracting 1 from both sides. All right, I had to cut because I did it wrong. Okay, so we got this a quadratic formula type thing, and we're just gonna factor it out. Trust me, this is just what it is. Don't really remember how to teach quadratic factoring when the coefficient is not 1. You can just multiply this out and check. The first step I know what to do about this is like the first terms, like in the parentheses, like the first, like the 2u and the u, have them multiply to the first one, and then kind of just like input stuff that's near. Like, I mean, I tried the 1s and then a negative, and then it worked. This is the first try. I'm using Sharpie, so you can see it's the first try. But you could try positive on the first one or negative on the second one. I honestly don't remember the exact, like, rock hard way to do it, or straightforward way, I don't know. But yeah, okay, we got this factored form, and we're looking for u. Well, we're looking for x, but first we need to find u. So what is u that makes this equation 0? Here is u is 1/2. Since it makes this factor 0, this multiplied by this, or 0 multiplied by this, is going to be 0. So u is 1/2. Since like 2 times 1/2 is 1, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. It's u equals 1/2. And right here, u equals -1. All right. And then now we have to bring back this equation to find what x is. So -1, let's try this one first, equals 4 to the power x. All right, if you know, like if you know some stuff, 4 to the power x is never going to be negative. So we could just like take out this answer. This one, u equals 1/2, is going to have the answer because the other one didn't. that's a 2, equals 4 to the power x. And here we got, this is 2 to the power negative 1. That's what 1 over 2 is. And this is 2 squared. And then bring out the x power. And then if we have the same bases, like both 2's at the bottom, their exponents are equal. So negative 1 equals 2x. X is equal to negative 1/2. And that is the answer. Bam.